Good morning, everyone. This is Mrs. O'Toole, and I am about to do Unit 7, page 467. So if you don't have that open to that page, pause now and open your books to Unit 7, page 467. We are going to be multiplying 4-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers today, and we're going to solve each problem and show our work. So let's look at number 1. We're going to be using the distributive property of multiplication to do this. And it's the same thing we've done with 2-digit numbers or 3-digit numbers. It's just one more digit. So it shouldn't be a problem. I'm going to do problems 1 and 3. You're going to do problems 2 and 4, and then one more assigned page in your MobyMax. Okay, so here we go. Number 1 says, 1,548 students attend Sunset Elementary School. The principal wants to make sure each student gets 5 pencils to start the school year. How many pencils does she need to buy? So, do you know what our problem is? Multiplication, division. Yeah, it's multiplication. It says so right at the top, doesn't it? So, let's look at this problem. It's really 1,548 times 5. And this is how we're going to do it. We're going to do the distributive property. We're going to multiply each digit in the top number by 5. So we're going to do 1,000 times 5 plus 500 times 5 plus 40 times 5 plus 8 times 5. So let's see what I get. 1,000 times 5 is 5,000. 500 times 5, we got to do 5 times 5 is 25. With how many magic zeros? 1, 2. Well, let's put in the comma. Bump, 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 comma. There it goes. And then 4 times 5 is 20 with 1 magic zero is going to give us 200. So we got to be really careful. We line up our place values. 200. There it goes. And then 8 times 5 is 40. So the hardest thing is lining all that up, isn't it? Yeah. So we have to keep it lined up. And let's add up our ones. We get a 0. Add everything in the tens place. We get a 4. Add everything in the hundreds place, we get a 7. Add everything in the thousands place, we get a 7. We do the comma line, dun, 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 comma. There we go. Our answer is 7,740. And what's the unit? Pencils. Awesome. Let's skip down to number 3. It's not a word problem. It is just a basic math problem. We can do it the same way using the distributive property. So what we're going to do is 2,000 times 4 plus 100 times 4 plus 20 times 4 plus 4 times 4. Let's see what we get. We just do the 2 times 4 equals 8 with 1, 2, 3 zeros. We can put the comma in. 1 times 4 equals 4 and 2 zeros. So where's that going to be? It's going to be 400. So we got to put the 4 in the hundreds place and line up our zeros very carefully. And then 2 times 4 is 8 with 1 0 is 80. And 4 times 4 is 16. Add those up carefully. 6, 9. If you want to be right, start on the right. Bump, 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 comma. Our answer to this one is that. Okay, you are going to go back and do this problem. And you're going to do this problem. And you're also, if you go to the next slide, you're going to do page 468 in your MobyMax quick checker on slide 3, and you're good to go. I hope you guys are doing well, and I'll talk to you soon. I miss you tons. Bye-bye.